The plants you choose today can determine how much time, money, and effort you'll spend maintaining your yard for years to come. Some plants may look beautiful at first, but require constant watering and regular care to keep them healthy. Others can tolerate dry conditions but struggle when temperatures rise. And then there are the true landscape champions, plants that thrive with very little water, require minimal maintenance, and still provide incredible color, texture, and beauty. In today's video, we're counting down 10 of the best drought-tolerant plants that can help you create a stunning, water-wise landscape. Whether you're looking to reduce water usage, spend less time on maintenance, or build a more resilient garden that can handle challenging weather conditions, these plants are excellent choices. Let's get started. First up, lavender. Lavender is one of the most popular drought-tolerant plants in the world. With its fragrant purple flowers and silvery green foliage, it adds color, texture, and a wonderful scent to any garden. Once established, lavender requires very little water and thrives in full sun. It's perfect for borders, pathways, Mediterranean-style gardens, and pollinator-friendly landscapes. As a bonus, bees and butterflies absolutely love it. Next, agave. If you're looking for a bold architectural plant, agave is hard to beat. Its dramatic rosette shape creates a strong focal point in modern and desert-style landscapes. Agave stores water in its thick leaves, making it extremely drought-resistant. It comes in many sizes and varieties, so there's an option for almost every garden. Minimal water, maximum impact. Number 3, Russian sage. This beautiful perennial produces clouds of soft purple flowers throughout summer. Its airy appearance adds movement and softness to the landscape. Russian sage loves hot, dry conditions and performs exceptionally well in poor soils. It's a fantastic choice for cottage gardens, naturalistic plantings, and low-maintenance landscapes. Next, red yucca. Despite its name, it's not actually a true yucca. Red yucca produces elegant flower spikes with coral red blooms that attract hummingbirds. It's incredibly tough, thrives in intense heat, and requires very little irrigation. Perfect for xeriscaping and modern desert gardens. Coming in at number 5, sedum. Sedums are succulent plants that store water in their leaves, making them highly drought tolerant. They come in a wide range of colors, textures, and sizes. Some varieties work beautifully as ground covers, while others create striking upright accents. They're easy to grow and provide year-round interest. Next is California lilac, also known as ceanothus. This evergreen shrub produces stunning clusters of blue flowers in spring. Once established, it needs very little supplemental watering. It's ideal for slopes, native gardens, and wildlife-friendly landscapes. The vibrant blooms create an incredible display while supporting pollinators. Number 7, ornamental grasses. Plants like blue fescue, feather reed grass, and Mexican feathergrass bring texture and movement to the garden. Many ornamental grasses thrive with minimal watering and require very little maintenance. They soften hardscape elements and add a natural, modern feel to the landscape. Plus, they look beautiful year-round. Next up, rosemary. Most people know rosemary as a culinary herb, but it's also a fantastic landscape plant. Its evergreen foliage, fragrant leaves, and small flowers make it both attractive and functional. Rosemary thrives in sunny, dry conditions and works beautifully in Mediterranean gardens, borders, and raised beds. And yes, you can harvest it for cooking too. Number 9, coneflower. Coneflowers are known for their colorful blooms and exceptional toughness. Once established, they can tolerate dry periods surprisingly well. These long blooming flowers attract bees, butterflies, and birds while adding vibrant color to the garden. Perfect combination of beauty and resilience. And finally, one of the toughest plants of all, sage. Whether it's salvia, autumn sage, or other drought-tolerant varieties, sage plants deliver months of colorful flowers with very little water. They thrive in hot climates, attract pollinators, and provide reliable performance year after year. A true workhorse for water-wise landscapes. So, how do you choose the right drought-tolerant plants? Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. How much sunlight does the area receive? 2. Do I want flowers, foliage, or year-round structure? 3. Am I aiming for a modern Mediterranean, desert, or natural garden style? By selecting plants that match both your climate and design goals, you can create a landscape that's beautiful, sustainable, and easy to maintain. The best part? Using drought-tolerant plants doesn't mean sacrificing beauty. In fact, some of the most stunning landscapes in the world are built around plants that thrive with very little water. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more landscape design inspiration and practical gardening tips. And let us know in the comments, which drought-tolerant plant is your favorite? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.